Welcome to CakeBot, lightning fast, snipe and swap trading bot available on the Binance Smart Chain. Submit your trades 10x faster and get an edge on the market with our free-to-use Telegram trading bot. Firstly, we need to join the Telegram bot. The link for the bot is provided in the description of this video. Remember to only follow links from official sources. Once you have joined the bot, click Start. By doing this, you will automatically be signed up via your Telegram account, making you set to explore our tools. By default, CakeBot provides you with 3 wallets for trading, which will be automatically created from the CakeBot cloud when you sign up. You have the freedom to swap these default wallets with new ones or even integrate your existing wallets. Fancy using CakeBot's wallets outside the platform? Simply export them to MetaMask or any other wallet provider. Firstly, let's add some funds. I'll use a personal MetaMask wallet for demonstration. Copy the wallet address with a click and paste it in MetaMask to initiate the transfer. For this example, I'll transfer 0.05 BNB to each wallet. I'm going to speed up this part of the tutorial until the funds have been transferred. Post-transfer, type the start command to refresh and view your updated balances. Exporting wallets enables you to use them across different applications. In this example, I am going to export a CakeBot wallet into MetaMask. CakeBot wallets are supported by all wallet providers. Access your private keys by clicking Settings, then the Private Keys button. A word of caution: never share your private keys. After your private keys are downloaded and decrypted from the CakeBot cloud, you can click on a private key to copy it. This message will automatically vanish after 30 seconds for security, but there's a delete option for immediate removal. In MetaMask, choose Import Account and paste the copied key. Your wallet will now be imported into MetaMask. To replace a wallet, head to Settings, click Replace Wallet, then choose the wallet you want to replace. A new wallet will automatically be created for you from the CakeBot cloud. We recommend backing up the private keys of all wallets you replace in case you wish to re-import them later. To add your own existing wallet to CakeBot, use the Import Wallet option in the Settings panel. As an example, I'll re-import the original wallet one using the private key. That concludes our walkthrough on CakeBot's Getting Started tutorial. Eager to learn more? Stay with us as we delve deeper into CakeBot's array of features in upcoming videos.